Y'all, is there such thing as dating too soon after divorce? I mean, I really want to know because what if really the dating could be part of you rediscovering yourself again? I feel like we need to get into this. So if you've been here, then hey, what's up? Welcome back. But if you haven't, my name is Nikki and I do your life after divorce content. And I was introduced this question that somebody told me like, yo, it's too soon to be dating after divorce. And I've been pondering about this and I want to share my perspective on you guys, like with you guys. First and foremost, let's talk about rediscovering yourself. Dating can actually be a vital part of that, right? So it's not just about romance and like love bombing and all of those things, but it gives you the opportunity to explore your boundaries. Because think about it, you've been with this person for however many years you were married and however many years you were separated and things of that nature. So now you got to come up with new terms of what you want and see in a relationship. You can't figure that out alone. Like you really got to like get out there to kind of put those things into perspective. Now, I know there's some people who think that there's a right time to start dating again, but I personally believe that it's like when you're ready to meet new people and start learning about yourself in the process. When you know that, listen, I'm going to go out there and no, I'm not going to fall in love. It's not going to be love at first sight, but I'm going out there with experience now, right? I'm a little bit more seasoned, so I can go out there and make better choices and decisions as far as my dating life goes. Now, practicing social interaction with others, sharing laughs, and even those awkward moments are all part of the journey, and you ain't gonna be able to go through it unless you actually go out there and do it, right? Now, I definitely want to hear what you guys have to say, so make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know, is there ever a time that is too soon for dating after divorce? Now, whether you've been divorced or not, you could let us know what you think. So do me a favor, also, like, save, comment, and also repost this video because I need some perspective from other people and y'all communities can help me get that. So as always, stay beautiful, stay you naturally. And y'all, if you see that red circle around my picture, that means that I'm live right now. Pop into my live stream, say what is up to me and my friends. I can't wait to meet you all. Bye.